Hi, today I'm for the Galaxy A34 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the lock screen of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the fingerprint unlock method works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device successfully without any problems. I just hold it for a while because if you all just simply touch it, you just have no chance to unlock the device successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.